crack down on rundown homes and buildings in downtown Mobile. The city has announced a new initiative to crack down on building code violations.
But Fox 10 dug deeper to find the answer to important questions. Why is it only being done in downtown?
Take a look at the old Buick building and you'll see windows that are broken or completely gone, graffiti, and bricks falling on the sidewalk. City officials cited at least 6 other properties by address that need repair, but say there are more.
A lot of our vacant buildings we've had vagrant problems with, resulted in fires. Obviously, there's a serious safety issue there.
The reason for this is to improve the aesthetics of our downtown area. We have a lot of people now looking at our downtown area.
It really is something that's a matter of kind of parity for or creating an environment where people want to invest.
City officials will hold a meeting with property owners Monday. Then, starting Tuesday, they say they will check every property within the Hank Aaron Loop over the next 4 weeks. Why just within the loop?
It has to do with the level of resources we have, as well as the fact that we really want to target our downtown area to try to really abate some of the issues that we see downtown.
Owners will have 30 days to fix the problem. If they don't, they'll get a notice of violation and then another 30 days to make repairs. If there are still violations, they'll get a municipal office ticket, which can include a fine of about $500 or even jail time.
I believe the jail time is up to 6 months, or it can be commuted into a community service option.
As for the old Buick building, there's a sign on it saying it's being leased by MCR, or Milling Commercial Realty. We called the phone number on the sign and sent an email asking why the building was in disrepair and were there plans to fix it.
And again, Steve Alexander reporting, and we still haven't heard back from that company yet. So what do people who live and work in that area think about the crackdown? We're going to have that report for you coming up later tonight at 5.